Hello, Jennifer Tochi here. Yes. Trying to tolerate my bad haircut. Yes. And I got a package. Yes, I did. Power box small. Jen will open. Cause Tochi's strong. Okay. Jennifer, thank you for your order. Mr. Sweenarooney. Sweenarooney. I have waited a long time for you. Oh my gosh, you need to be brushed out. Uh-oh. And you need batteries. Yes, it's a Grumbly. A Grumbly I do not have. Yes. Well, it's a good thing I keep my butt cheek holder on my headboard. Hey, it's a good place to keep it. Let's make sure he's not broken. Yeah. Oh, well, it doesn't even have batteries in it. What is it? Take AA? Well, I got AA in my secret 3, huh? 3. Well, you bastard, you take 3, I got 3. Look what I got. I got little packages out of big packages. Yes. Oh, this is AAA. Well, here's AAs. Now you wait until I am done with you before you start burping and farting at me, mister. Ha 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 ha, mister. You better shake, or I'm gonna get mad at you. You be good, mister. Ah! Ah! Like how he has a mohawk. I'm gonna get you mad. Am I getting you mad? Well, he doesn't shake properly. But you talk. And fart. And burp. And smell your farts. So, I like him. So I'll keep him. Yeah. All you need is a little loving and a little brush. Brush out. Yes. And I will put you back in the butt. Yes. Go back. Go to sleep. And I always like to wash him. Yes. Well, he snores too. That's good. Okay. Now I'm going to put my Metamucil in my protein drink and start the day. Farewell.